Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris Parrett with Social Hustle, and here we talk about Google Ads, Google Ads management, and our team manages just over $500,000 every month in ad spend. Today we're talking about what is Google Ads. Now, if you follow the channel, you probably already know what it is, but we wanted to break it down simply and break out what makes up Google Ads. Why is it such a popular marketing platform? And so when you go to Google, Google is the #1 search engine in the world. It provides results to people who have questions, who have inquiries, who need help, who are looking for products or services. And so Google makes the majority of its money by offering those services and those results through a paid platform, and that's Google Ads. So let's come to google.com and let's say that we're typing in solar panel cost. And what we get are a mixture of results. Now, this right here is an organic result. This means that this result shows up first because it is the most qualified result. Google has determined that through SEO, it's what belongs at the top. But now for Google to make money, and for advertisers like ourselves, Google is willing to sell this space at the top for a premium. This right here is a search ad, and Google is willing to sell this space for a cost, and that cost depends on the competition and it depends on how much everybody else is willing to pay. In this case, if I were to click this, it would probably cost them a few dollars. Now, the way that Google Ads works is that you pick the keywords that you want to bid on. Let's say the keyword is solar panel cost, and then based upon how much you're willing to spend and the quality of your landing page, it determines that times this essentially determines how much you spend per click to show up at the top. Now, let's say that we have two competitors. Let's say we have Rocky Mountain Rocky Mountain Power and California Power. And both companies are willing to spend $5 per click. But Rocky Mountain has a 10 out of 10 as far as relevancy. So that means that their effective buying power is 50. But California Power only has a 5. That means that their effective buying power is 25. The quality of your landing page and how relevant it is to the search query really impacts your cost per click, how much you have to spend. So it's really important that the keywords you bid on, you have a landing page that is qualified to show up for that you're relevant for the search term. Now, that's a really basic breakdown of what's considered the search network. From there, you have shopping products like these appear. You can show ads on YouTube. You can show ads in Gmail. You can show ads actually within apps and across other websites. One great example of how those work is anytime that you're on a Sweet Red Poppy. Anytime that you're on a website where you see ads actually appear, like right here at the bottom where it says custom cotton face masks, reusable face masks, or you come down and say you're reading an article, and this is a website called Sweet Red Poppy. My wife is a huge fan of them. They make just fantastic articles on clothing and sewing your own stuff. But these ads show up right here. And these are Google display ads. People have determined that they want to show these ads to individuals as you're browsing the internet. Now, the reason I'm getting some just random ads is I'm in an incognito browser. Google will let you show ads to individuals based on the websites they've been to, remarketing, based on their interest via their Google Ads account. And as you search, you probably see ads based on your interests, on things you've recently begun researching, or on websites you've been to through the display network. Now, the combination of all of these is what gives you Google Ads. It's the ability to reach out to consumers, to find them while they're researching, while they're wanting to buy, to get them to fill out lead forms, to get them to buy your products. It is the single most powerful marketing engine in the world, the largest one, and it encompasses the capacity to really market any and all businesses that are authorized through Google. All right, guys, that is a quick breakdown on what is Google Ads, how does it work. If you have any questions on how Google Ads works or you want any help setting up your own, drop a comment down below. I'm happy to reach out. I offer a free consultation with anybody. If I can help you set it up just for free for yourself, I'm happy to do that. Or if you would like our team to take a look at it, feel free to drop a comment, hit the follow button, and we'll see you guys next week.